Hi, Crafty Friends. Elise here, the Cheeky Bomb, and I'm coming on with a Scrap Diva Designs project share and tutorial so you know how I made this. So this is a project share. This is for the 3D Easter display box, and I used almost everything within this because it comes with a lot of cute little add-ons. There's only one piece that I didn't use. Oh, maybe two. But what I created is like a little embellishment box. So I used the display box and I cut out extra pieces of the matte piece, and I just put embellishments on it so that I could gift this to somebody, and there's embellishments on here ready to go, or be added to. So I have rosettes, I have some flowers, I have some cute little bunny eggs, I guess, and some bows, and there's so much more room in here. This die is available March 1st, and I'll put the link. I have an affiliate link that I'll link in the description box, and if you want to save 10%, you can use code CHEEKYBUM for that. But this is so cute and adorable, and it's so much fun, and I can't wait to make some other projects because the wheels are moving. I have so many different ideas. So stay tuned and I will show you how I made this. Okay, so I cut out all my pieces. Now these are all the base pieces. And these are for, you know, the embellishment cards. I don't know exactly what I want to call them. But before I get started on assembly, I am going to put all my matte pieces on their spots. So I did cut out two of almost everything except for the bottom and the back, so that I could have an inside mat and an outside mat. And what one do I want? I think I want this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue all those on real quick. Okay, so I decided to wait on the inside mat because I forgot that I have these little flaps that are going to attach. So I'm going to wait to do the inside mat until after I put it together so that it will cover those white flaps. So this is what I need to do. All right, so we want to fold all of our score lines. So I think I want them like that. I think that I want to attach the bottom first, or at least this back piece, and then I can go from side to side to side. I think that that's how I want to do it, because this is going to go... Oh, maybe I did this wrong. Maybe this needs to go like this. I don't know. See, like, I'm trying to think. So this one is like the top portion, like the flat portion. And like this is the back of the die. But this doesn't go on this side. This goes on this side to connect, but this is the back piece of this. See, you see what I mean? So one of these, either I'm going to have to put the sides backwards or the back backwards. I think I'm going to do the back backwards. And I'll just do another mat to put on the inside. I think that's how I'm going to have to do it. And then put these sides on. Unless I cut out another... let me think on this for a second. Okay, so what I decided to do is cut out this base kind of piece again, and this is just kind of a shimmer cardstock. It's on the thinner side. I didn't want to do another 110 pound because I didn't want it to be that thick. So all my base pieces are out of 110 pound cardstock. The rest are just, you know, cardstock, like 65 pound. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to keep this back lace. So this is going to be the back. I'm going to attach it like so. So I'm going to attach this piece to this first, and then I'm going to put this one on top, and I'm going to cut off this piece, this attachment piece, because I'm not going to need that. And I'll still probably cut another matte piece and put it on that. So it'll end up looking like so. It should line up pretty good. I might have to cut off just a little bit from that flap, but I want to attach this first so that this one will cover up this little lip. That's part of being on the design team is, I guess, you know, trial and error because we don't have any tutorials to go off of. So I'm going to attach that like that. Yeah. I want to make sure that that's really secure, and then I can glue this to this, and I'm going to make sure that I line up the head really well, and then because the body is going to be kind of covered, but you know, I want the head because it's opposite sides. It might not be exact, but that's why I did white for this back piece. Again, I thought about doing it in color, but I figured if I did it in white, if there is any kind of overlap, you won't really notice it. So that's what I'm doing. I don't really have much trimming to do. I think I can get away with not doing any trimming. And then the base pieces, or the side pieces. Oh, I guess I should have put this on last, because now this piece, you're gonna see. That's the only thing that sucks. I mean, I could do it. I could attach it to the back, but then this piece, so live and let learn. I'll end up matting this piece again anyway, so I don't think it's really gonna matter. I guess be careful when you're doing this piece because you do want it to bend a little bit. See how I needed to trim that up just a little. I'm just gonna there. That'll do. And then I'm gonna attach this to here, or do I want to attach the bottom first? I think we're gonna attach the bottom first and then flip this up, because I want the seams to be on the inside so I can try to cover them up. Like, I should have waited on this piece. So if you're following along, wait on this piece. I might have to, yeah, I should have did like a prototype first, but I didn't, but that's okay. You can't prototype everything. I feel like I might want to put down all of these pieces first, because I feel like that'll be easier, and then flip them up and attach them. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach all the base pieces first and then fold them up. that's just easiest for me. You can do it however you feel. Just make sure that you have the tabs where they're going to be able to attach to each piece. If you put them on backwards, it's not going to go together. All right, so now that we have all the base pieces, I can start kind of folding it up and making the box. All right, so now the base is pretty much done. I'm gonna cut a matte piece for this. I mean, do I wanna just choose out of the ones I already have? No, I wanna cut another one. But I can put on like my side. So this piece, I mean, you can, I guess you can mat the bottom if you want, but I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna just pop that down in there, and then I have my side pieces that will go in like this. So let me cut this piece and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my other piece that matches the back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue all my matting pieces on. Okay, so now I have all my sides all matted. I don't have the bottom matted, but I don't think that that's really necessary. Now, if you weren't doing like I am, like I'm turning this into like an embellishment file box type of thing. Like if you were just gonna put like a bunch of goodies in here, like, or have it as like a display, you wouldn't necessarily have to mat the inside if you didn't want to. You could use colored cardstock and get away from that. But like I said, this is kind of how I want to do it. So I cut out extra of the matte piece, right? And then I have a colored cardstock. So this is 110 cardstock in the matte, this matte piece. And then I cut out cardstock in it as well. And I'm going to double them all up so that they're nice and sturdy, and they'll create the little files. Now, I was thinking, like, as I was putting down this piece, you could just, if you wanted to, cut out multiple of these little square files and put them in there, and they would fit too. So you would just have little square sheets. But I want lots of little bunny sheets. But like I said, you could do these, and you could even cut them down a little bit lower if you wanted, just like a little, you could make this, like turn this into like a little recipe box. That would be super cute too. With all your favorite like Easter recipes, that would make a really cute gift. But this is how I'm doing it. So let me put all these together. Okay, so I have all of my little pieces attached. They're nice and sturdy, and now I can attach all of my embellishments to it, and I just can put it in my box however which way I want. I don't know what one I want first. I think I want the bunnies. I'll probably do some bows, some flowers. I haven't decided if I want to decorate their little faces yet or not. But yeah, let me make some embellishments real quick, and we'll kind of put it all together. Okay guys, so here's my finished product. These little carrots come with the die. This spring is just from the Easter Words one, I think. And then what I did, so you can see, like, there's so much room that you could put so many more of these little things in here with embellishments. So I have bows on this one, and what I did is I put sticker paper along these the bottom so that the embellishments will easily come off, because they just have repositioning dots on there. So I have little bows. I only decorated the first face, And then this one, I created these little embellishments out of everything in here. So you get this little egg. I cut the little feet that are, you know, I think they're supposed to go on the front of the box, but I stuck them to the egg, and then I cut out some of the ears that go to these, and I just created these cute little bunny eggs. So there's that one. I have flowers on this one. On a couple of these, I took the sticker paper all the way up so that I could stick things on the head as well. So I have rosettes in there, and then, you know, at the back. So they just fit in here so nicely. You could even put like little pockets, like little gusseted pockets on these so that you could put like tuck things in if you wanted, but there's so much room. I can't wait to create more of these and play with it some more. So this was a lot of fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Most of like the bow die, the flower die are just out of my stash, except for like the eggs, because that was from this die set. And then these rosettes I just cut on my Cricut. They're just little vellum rosettes. They're my favorite rosettes to make. And yeah, that's how it all turned out. I think this is really cute. I can't wait to play with this box some more, because I definitely have other ideas of what I want to do with it, but it's so big, and I think it's just a cute little embellishment box. You could even put like ridges in here too and make this like a little like album maybe. I don't know. There's so many possibilities with this box. It's really cute. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna put the description. You know what I just realized, and I'm not gonna change it. The bunnies on here on the spring are upside down. I didn't notice it. Oh well, it's still cute. I will link everything down below. You can go visit Scrap Diva. I'll put I have an affiliate link that I'll put down below, and if you want to save 10%, use code CheekyBomb, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.